Assalamu alaikum.
Respected Mr. Mohammad Sadiq from Gujar Khan.
Mr. Muhammad Mahmood from UK.
Mr. Mohammad Shoaib Sadiq from UK.
Thank you for your kindness.
Yeah.
Just like every year.
As well, you made excellent arrangement for clothes.
Choose and iftar for us.
Pray that Allah Almighty bless you with even more success and rewards.